Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to get crystals in Idle Cult Empire, which are the premium and rarer currency you'll want to use wisely as you progress through the game. So let's dive in. First up, one of the easiest free methods is by watching ads. Idle Cult Empire regularly offers optional ads that reward you with crystals or give boosts that help you earn them faster. Anytime you see a free reward or crystal related ad, you want to make sure to grab it. Small amounts really add up over time. Next, you want to make sure you're completing quests and chapter tasks. As you move through missions, objectives, and milestones, the game often rewards you with crystals alongside with other resources. Progressing steadily through the story is one of the most reliable free ways to earn them. Another important source is daily login rewards and special events. Logging in every day can give you crystals just for showing up, and limited time events often include premium currency as rewards. Even if you don't play long sessions, logging in daily is worth it. You can also keep an eye out for redeem codes. If the game supports them, developers sometimes release codes that give free rewards like crystals. Just check the in game codes section or community posts to see if any are active. Finally, if you want the fastest option, crystals are available through in app purchases. Buying crystal packs from the store is the quickest way to get a large amount instantly, but it's totally optional. Quick tip before we wrap up, always claim free ads, complete tasks, and stay consistent with daily logins. That's the best way to stack crystals without spending money. So that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!